Alright, what's up YouTube? I just wanted to show me transplanting the red and sweet watermelon variety. This is a very rare watermelon variety. This one was already transplanted. And here's another one. And I'm getting ready to transplant some more right now. Another area. So in this garden this year, I'm only growing one watermelon variety just in this garden. And that's just so I don't have to hand pollinate and I can focus on working my other garden so I can hand pollinate these varieties. So yesterday, I believe it was, I transplanted, it was yesterday, I transplanted these red and sweet watermelon seedlings. So that's 3 of them. And then I have 2 more. So I'm working to beat the rain at the moment. And here are my seedlings. So let me show you one. And you can see that root is very clean. I sprouted these and I germinated these on napkins. And I waited until it reached this stage and then I took it from the napkin. About every 3 to 5 days you can put a tad bit of water in there. I wait until the embryonic leaves start to show and the seed cap is starting to become shed. And once they're starting to shed that seed cap, they're ready. So you saw the red and sweet that I just showed, but if you really think about it, so well, let me tell you this: the time period I planted it was about 3 weeks ago. And if you really think about it, they're near the same size already. Although I started these seeds 9 days ago. So I started this 9 days ago, but that other one was transplanted about 3 weeks ago. So sprouting them, pre-sprouting them, and then allowing the embryonic leaf to emerge, and then planting just the root below the soil has worked best for me. And I noticed that the varieties, the watermelon varieties, are growing, or just any of my melon varieties period, are growing much faster. So what I just added into there is mycos, which is a beneficial fungi. Let's put that in there. I'm one-handed right now, so you don't really have to worry about root shock because the roots, they really aren't embedded into any soil or anything, so that you're not really damaging anything. So just pat it in there lightly, make sure that root is covered. Now when I'm off camera, I'm gonna stand this up a little bit and I'm gonna pat it in, but doing what I can, y'all. All right, so I'm making a hole. Now in here, I already had a red and sweet that was, I waited for that root to sprout. And after that root sprouted, I put it into here and it never rose. The seed had never rose above the soil. So now I just wait until I have a full-fledged seedling and then I put this in there. So I know if there's no seedling that next day, something ate it. Unless you see it wilted. So this one sits in there perfectly. Look at that. Let me just pat them in there like that. We have rain coming already, so no worry about watering. That weed out of there. Okay, let's put this little radish. You ready to be eaten. Get you out of there. We don't need any shade. These are sun-loving plants. So I'm gonna do that one on my own. I also wanted to show y'all my strawberries. I gotta pick some strawberries, so I might as well show them while I'm picking them. I have a couple of varieties ready. Let's see. So this is Honai. First one of the season. Oh, that's still not ready. Oh, something's already dug in there. So something's already dug in. So hard to see it. But the other side is good. This side is good. Let's try it. It's still hard. That's why the bug ain't finished. Have another one that's has a nice color to it. This is Sparkle Strawberry. Sparkle. Let's give this a try. Bug dug in there too. Oh no, that's dirty. There's a lot of compost on there. Let me try this one. Softer than Honai, and it tastes much better. So I can see myself growing Sparkle. Honai tastes good when it wants to. It has to be all the way ripe though. But and then all I have left is Pantagruella. See what Pantagruella has in store. So still not all the way ready, but hey. Who's keeping track? So that's an excellent quality berry, especially if it was allowed to ripen up for one more day. Now this is the most perfect Pantagruella I've probably ever picked, or near perfect. If that was bright red, ooh, that would have been a noteworthy picture. Wow, that's beautiful. So I'm just trying to get a good shot of this guy so I can eat it for y'all, and I won't have to worry about taking pictures. I can screenshot it. All right, y'all, let's try it. Nice and soft. Could have went another day. That's juicy. That's juicy. I could use this for smoothies. Rinse him off because he had compost on him. That was my red and sweet transplant. See y'all in the next one.